In front of me is Blackshark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to hit Google. Now, select All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google over here. Then click on Google Password Manager and select any password you wanna delete. Let's go with this one. Enter your login method to confirm it's you, and then choose Delete button. Last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Don't worry, it won't delete any app or any account, just password from your manager. So tap on Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!